Hello everyone, welcome back to BG Tech channel. On this channel, we teach different tutorials on how to make money online, introduce useful tools for working boys, share crypto flashing update methods, and much more. Kindly join my Telegram and WhatsApp channel for more updates. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you will be among the first to receive updates whenever I upload a new one. With that being said, let's move on to today's video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how they edit bet sleep, like all these sporty bet Niger, different bet sleep. Like they'll tell you that this bet sleep is won, even though the thing is lost. Please, guys, this video is for educational purpose. Do not use it for illegal purpose, because these things I'm showing you guys is for you to secure yourself online so that you won't be scammed by all these local scammers. Understand? So without further ado, let's get started. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So you go to this. There's this app. The app is no more on Play Store. They have restricted, but I still have the app on my Android. It's only available on Android. You can only use it on Android. You can't use it on iPhone. So this particular app now, what it does is that it can edit any website, anything on the website interface. You can edit it and you put what you want, the value you want. Understand? Like this now, this is my real sporty bet account. Understand? You can log in any of your accounts here. You go to the website. Understand? This is sporty bet account. So this is my real sporty bet account. You can see it. I'm showing you guys. This is my real sporty bet account. So what I want to show you guys in this video is that how those people that is claiming they are selling correct score and they are selling fixed match, nothing like fixed match. You stand, nothing like fixed match, nothing like that. All those things scam. They'll book a game and they'll block the details. They'll tell you to buy it. After you buy it, they'll give you the details for you and they'll scam. I know some of you are ready for victim to that kind thing. Understand? So that's why I'm bringing this video to show you guys how they run it. Like this now, I'm in my sporty bet. If I want to edit this balance now, like I want to bring much money on this balance, you stand, I'll just go to this three dots at this thing. I'll click on content editable. You stand. Once I click on this content editable, like everything on this website, I'll be able to edit it. I'll be able to edit it. You can see there. I can decide to write plenty amounts. I'm just showing you guys the stuff. So like this now, you can see my balance now. But if I want to remove it, I'll click on it and I'll remove it. This is how they. If I refresh, this thing will scatter back. If I refresh, the thing will scatter. I'll go back to itself back. So let me show you the trick that those guys will do. They'll go to the one bet. They'll play those tickets. They'll play different things. They'll play it. Maybe they want to play all this fixed match. They will be lying to you guys that they fix the match. They'll play like they'll use like 30 naira. What is the minimum you can use on sporty? Maybe 30 naira, 50 naira. They'll play every correct score on that list. On every correct score, the one that won, they will now come to the best history. They'll come to the best history so that they will edit the one sleep. The way they will edit it, let me show you guys. So let's click on, okay, like this is old. I don't normally use this account. That is why it's showing 2025 here. So this is old, my sporty bet account, but it's old. So like this now, if I want to edit this, maybe this is one ticket, or this, let's say this is one, I'll be lose. No, I told you that they will play all the whole correct score, because if they play all the whole correct score, one must come out of it. So they will now edit the amount. They can edit the odd. They will edit the amount. They will now screenshot it that they want the fixed match. You should pay. You can see it now. I can put big amounts. I can decide to put big amounts. You can see it. I can decide to edit the staking amount. All those things. That is what they will do. Yeah, now they can decide to put the one that I really played. See the order. They can change anything on here. after they do it, you can see now it's very, it look real. Understand? So what I'll do now, what I'll do here is that I'll what they will do now is that they will now screenshot it. Understand? After they click this thing, they will enable this back. They will now screenshot. You can see it. Let me show you what I mean. Once they screenshot it, you can see it now. Once they screenshot, they will now tell you like this. They'll show you guys one. They can show you from here like this. You stand. They can show you from here like this. Stand, so that they'll crop it. They'll change everything. The date, everything. No, normal, the date will be correct. I'm just showing this guy. I'm using this as example. Please, this video is for educational purposes. See, once they do it like this, they'll now tell you it is one ticket, is blah blah blah. You stand. If you want to buy the fixed match, you should DM them, so they'll just scam me like that. All those things. That is how they do all those blessings. There are other sites you can use, but this particular site is very effective. You stand. So the other tools they use, the other tools they use. So that is how they edit anything. Even though you want to edit your bank details, so maybe you have bank details on these things now. If you want to edit it, it's very easy. Just log in the bank details here, edit your, maybe you want to your anything on the site, you can edit the value to just use it for different purposes. If you want to tell clients you have big money in your account, you just edit it. But once you refresh here, all these things just like screenshot. You just screenshot it. It's not something you can, or you can still even do it as video. Stand. So I'm doing like, if I edit this balance now, I can be doing video like normal. Stand. So I can be doing video. All these things is how, that is how they do it. If you enjoyed this video so far, please kindly like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tech tips and cyber security stuff and more updates. Make sure you are joining my Telegram channel and WhatsApp channel. See you in my next video. Bye.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.